today I want to bring back the uppercut. This was from one of the early videos. We still have the uppercut animation, but we've tucked this away when we replaced this with the shuriken. Let me take a look at the animation. Let me get the wind up. Maybe not too much. And a little more in the end. Okay. Let me bring down Sophie and the Y-bot back to the ground. And for the animator, Sophie animator, I'm going to go into ground attacks and drag in the uppercut. And I want the uppercut to be initiated when you do a run to stop. This part. Let me bring it down a little more. Anyways, I'm going to look for running transitions. So here we have run to stop. Again, this is one of the very early states that we had. Let's take a look at what abilities we have. Okay, I'm going to create a separate folder. Run to stop. And these two specific abilities, I'm going to drag them into the run to stop folder. And looks like we don't have any indexers for this ability. Okay, and since we want the transition to happen when we press attack, I'm going to create an indexer, transition indexer. This will be based on the attack. Transition indexer run to stop. We're going to the uppercut. Index will be 1. Put that all into the name. Index is 1. And the condition is that you press attack. I'm going to put this into the run to stop animation. And I'm going to make the transition run to stop, ground attack, uppercut. No exit time. And from the end of the uppercut, let me get to the uppercut. From the end, we're going to make a transition back to idle. This one will be based on the exit time, meaning we're going to wait to the end of the animation. Adjust the graph. Not too much, not too little. Okay, and if I play, I'm going to do the uppercut. I think I forgot to add the condition. Okay, the condition should be index equals 1. Let me play again. So here's the transition. When we're in the sliding motion, when you press attack, we do the uppercut. And I want Sophie to move slightly ahead just a little bit when she does the uppercut. Let me see if I still have the uppercut folder. And looks like we still have move forward. So for the uppercut, I'm going to add this move forward ability. Everything else we don't need. Delete them. Move forward. I'm going to try speed of 1. Lock direction. Okay, let me try playing. See what it's like. Okay, looks like you're moving forward just slightly. Let me trim some of the animation in the uppercut. I think it's a little too much. 37. And increase the end. 85. Okay. Let me also increase the speed by 10%. Okay, looks all right. Now, we don't have the register yet. I'm going to do that in a second. Now let's go into the uppercut folder, because we want the actual attack. Attack, player, attack, or player, uppercut, attack. I'm going to guess the start time for now. 30% to 80%. Must collide. I think it was the right hand that Sophie used. Max hits 1. Damage. For now, I'll just try 3. I want to check the Ragdoll death and the death particles. Up force. I'll make this the same as the Shoryuken, or slightly different. So this is the number for the Shoryuken, for the Ragdoll physics push force. You don't have to go exactly the same. Let me just try some random numbers. I'm going to go into attack. I want the exact timing for the register and the deregister. F9. F9. Also make sure the box is checked. Make sure we have the uppercut attack in the animation. Click play. Forward to click on attach to Unity. Okay, that's 30%. Looks all right. Looks like I got it in the first attempt. And if I attack, looks like the uppercut is working fine. Let me bring back the damage back to 1. Right now all the damage is 1. I'm not trying to balance out anything yet. Just testing out the mechanics. So now you see that if damage is 1, you actually got to kill the opponent to have the player go flying. And looks like the uppercut is working fine. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.